The Tesla Model Y uses a 12-volt auxiliary battery to power low-voltage systems like lights, sensors, infotainment, and computer modules. This battery interacts with the main high-voltage battery via a DC-DC converter. Failures are common, especially in pre-2024 models, leading to warning messages and potential vehicle immobilization. We'll explain what causes these failures and how to recognize the symptoms. Keep an eye out for warning messages on your Tesla's touchscreen, such as 12-volt battery low, service required, or reduced functionality. These messages indicate the vehicle needs immediate attention to prevent further issues. Other symptoms include dimming lights, loss of power steering assist, or the inability to start the vehicle. Dimming dashboard lights are a common sign of 12-volt battery issues. If the vehicle won't start, it could be related to the 12-volt battery failure. Recurring low-voltage warnings are a key indicator of a failing 12-volt battery and should be addressed promptly. Tesla initiated a global recall in late 2025 for over 500,000 Model Y units built between 2019 and 2025 due to widespread 12-volt battery failures. This recall mandates free 12-volt battery replacements for affected vehicles exhibiting failure symptoms. Tesla also released over-the-air update version 2026.5.2, which includes improved diagnostics, reducing failure rates by approximately 40%. Owners can check their Model Y's 12-volt battery status directly through the Tesla mobile app. Simply open the app on your smartphone and navigate to the Vehicle Status or Service section to view battery health indicators and any active recall notifications. If you prefer in-person assistance, visit any authorized Tesla service center. The facility staff can perform comprehensive diagnostics on your Model Y's 12-volt system and provide detailed status reports using specialized tools. If your vehicle is identified as affected by Tesla's 12-volt battery recall program, you can schedule a free replacement at no cost to you. Tesla provides this service for eligible Model Y vehicles built between 2019 and 2025. The replacement process has been streamlined at authorized Tesla service facilities. Using genuine OEM parts, technicians can complete the 12-volt battery replacement in under 1 hour, minimizing downtime for owners. When considering a 12-volt battery replacement in your Tesla Model Y, you have two main options: doing it yourself or having it done professionally. While DIY replacement is technically possible, it comes with significant risks due to the vehicle's high-voltage components. Professionals, on the other hand, use specialized diagnostic tools like Tesla's TechLine system to accurately scan error codes and ensure proper replacement. This approach maintains your vehicle's warranty and reduces the risk of errors. If you're not comfortable working with electrical systems, it's best to take your Model Y to a certified Tesla technician. They have the expertise and equipment to handle the job safely and correctly. Begin the replacement by disconnecting the main battery for safety. This prevents electrical hazards during the process. Locate and remove the old 12-volt battery unit, which is typically found under the hood of the vehicle. Install the new 12-volt battery, ensuring you use Tesla-specified OEM parts for compatibility and warranty. Finally, perform a software reset through the vehicle's system to calibrate the new battery. Remember to always disconnect the main battery before starting and be cautious, as improper installation can cause vehicle damage. Tesla is evolving its vehicle architecture with integrated battery management systems that combine high-voltage and low-voltage functions. By 2028, new models will eliminate traditional 12-volt batteries entirely, relying on smart DC-DC converters and capacitive storage for accessory power. Newer Model Y vehicles from 2024 onward feature upgraded lithium-ion 12-volt batteries with significantly improved longevity. These batteries last 5 years or more under normal use, compared to 2-3 years for older lead-acid types, and offer better performance in extreme temperatures. To prevent 12-volt battery issues, stay current with Tesla's over-the-air software updates, which include AI-driven diagnostics that predict failures up to 30 days in advance. Regularly monitor battery health through the touchscreen or Tesla app, and practice proactive maintenance by avoiding prolonged exposure to extreme temperatures.